Hello, everyone. Welcome to the weekly wrap up. How is?
Hello, everyone. Hello. How are you, Lisa?
Well, what have we been up to this week?
All sorts. Waiting for the market to move, mainly. But I saw the Monday tweet go out with lots of targets hit anyway. Like, was it IMX who got all three targets? Like,
Yeah, IMX got like almost
just pumped it up.
40%. It was like huge pump last week, and we were in that.
Hmm.
Yeah, so we've been doing all right for a bear market. It's like you
Oh,
just got to
very
know
well.
what to look for.
Yeah, it's almost in some ways more essential having the experts around you in a bear market than in a bull market. Uh,
No,
so
definitely. In a bull market, you can just pick a coin and it goes up mostly. There's the odd one that has a little bit of a hiccup, but bull market, just sit and wait. But in a bear market, if you want to be making some money, you got to be with GSIC.
Absolutely. So, yes, this is out on YouTube, Twitter, and of course, we have our lovely GSIC members who have exclusive access to the chat and are requesting charts already. Sadie, Lovin, Jake, all in there. KJ, how you doing? So, before we get to those, shall we take a look at
We
the
shall,
current?
yes, we shall jump into Bitcoin.
Let's do it.
So, Bitcoin's a bit boring. It did
Uh,
break down past the MAs, so it's likely headed to about the next pivots. 25 uh, between 25,200 to about 24,800. If we do go and break that region, we are retesting this diagonal support, which will sit at around 22,900. So that's the scenarios at the moment. We're hoping that it turns at this point. There's something that is really interesting happening on the 3-day chart, which I'm going to bring up. So this is a 3-day chart. We can see that we've had across here. We're coming down to have 100 and 200 SMA cross, which is huge, which is a really strong bullish sign. The 3-day as well is almost crossing here on the MACD, and we have plenty of room to move on this RSI. So, as soon as we start getting that volume coming in, now we do have $1.7 billion in futures releasing this week. So they are quarterly, monthly, bi-weekly, and weeklies, and they are, huge. So that should give us a little bit of volume in the market. Should kick off October. So we're right at the end of the September. September is predominantly a really bad month, like May is, and yeah, it's looking good, I think. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at the moment. I don't see, it's only really sort of short term stuff that is causing any issues. Like if you are over leveraging and doing that, then if you're just sitting back and waiting, and this is the total crypto market cap. It's bouncing in all the right areas, so that means that we've got some money coming in. We did have a massive tether print, so we've had about $1.5 billion in tether printed. So that's yet to be distributed. So we'll wait and see what happens with that. This is the DXY. This is the major concern right now. It is in this yellow region that I was talking about last week. And we do want it to come back down from here. That's why I've got my big red hammer. I'm not going to put that on Twitter because last time I did, I typed the wrong thing and I got in trouble. So I'm not going to do that again. But this is my big hammer for the DXY. Going to knock it down here, and hopefully that kickstarts BTC on its journey up. So that's what I want to see, and that's what I'm looking out for this week. And so I'm just continuing to DCA back into Bitcoin at the moment, and long-term bags looking good.
Okay, cool. Anything else you want to share with the world before we?
I think that's probably it. There's not a lot happened this week.
Okay, well, goodbye to the rest of the world, or hello if you go to getting started in crypto.com.
Oh, yeah, and watch my. I think it's a pajama top. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna wear it anyway because it's got like moon men and like stuff on it.
Each to their own, I guess. Okay, right. Let me just jump off of YouTube. There we